something that no one can take away from you. On this note, we would like to invite our mentor, Mr. Yogang Chaturvedi, Director General, to kindly come and share the words of wisdom.
A very good evening, all of you. And we have congregated here today to celebrate the 74th eve of our Independence Day, 74वां वर्ष हमारे स्वतंत्रता दिवस का. With this good feel, and one thing which I can always be very sure of, with the presence of all Abhishek ji being there, all the senior functionaries and the faculties, plus all the other back-end staff members, the non-teaching staff. One thing for sure, I've always been saying, when you talk of independence, India gained independence only when it stood united. Till it was divided by lot of virtues, British enjoyed the wealth of it. The day India, under the leadership of different people with different visions in different locales of different religions in different states and different beliefs, whether it was Lokmaanya Tilak, who was a Marathi, or it was Lala Lajpat Rai, who was a Punjabi, anybody, or who was Khudiram Bose, the revolutionary from Bengal. You talk of anyone right from Kashmir to Kerala, right from Gujarat to the Arunachal. You had people who got united, and when they got united, British had no other virtues but to leave this country. So we cannot at any point of time rule out the sacrifices, the dedication, the devotion of those great people who worked for where we stand today. मैं बहुत घूमा हुआ हूँ विश्व में, और एक चीज़ आप लोगों से आज दिल से बोलूँगा. बहुत चीज़ों में when you talk of European nations or when you talk of very developed countries, but when you live there, the kind of the kind of freedom and the kind of masti and the bindaspan which India gives to you, believe my words, very few countries give that to you. Very few countries. It is only when you are abroad and you are there for years, you start missing your motherland. आज विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि एक अमेरिका और यूके और कनाडा और ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जहाँ हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा जनमानस इंडिया से बसे हुए हैं, जिस रूप से वहाँ पर स्वतंत्रता दिवस और गणतंत्र दिवस और ये सब चीज़ें मनाई जाती हैं, उस फील से somehow we even don't do that because they miss the soil of their own country. So this is something we should be proud of, a country, a citizen of a beautiful country with a beautiful background, with a beautiful tradition, ancestry, और आप इस तरह के जितने भी शब्दों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं वो भारत में सभी पूर्ण रूप से विद्यमान हैं. तो हम ऐसे देश के स्वतंत्र नागरिक हैं और वी शुड फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट, और हमें हमेशा उन सब चीज़ों के प्रति तत्पर रहना चाहिए जो हमें हमारी स्वतंत्रता, हमारे देश की स्वतंत्रता की तरफ हमें हमेशा अग्रसर करें. That is my one very strong feel, which I would feel everybody of us should. That is only the way we can salute the sacrifices of our forefathers, our respected people who really, really worked hard and gained independence for us. It was just a matter of chance that because of the Second World War, all the imperialist nations, they got so weak that they could not, exercise their powers on their colonies as British, it was a kind of a finished nation after the Second World War. So आप एक चीज देखेंगे, जितने भी ऐसे देश रहे वो सभी ने स्वतंत्रता 1945 सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के खत्म होने के बाद ली. Whether it was they were under the Dutch, they were under Germans, they were under the British, they were under the Portuguese, or they were under the French. अलग अलग देश अफ्रीका में, साउथ अमेरिका, होल साउथ अमेरिका, स्पेन, they were all Spanish colonies. Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, Bolivia, Brazil. Their second language, जैसे आज भी मैं आपसे भी बात कर रहा हूँ और आप समझ रहे हैं, हम सब की एक सेकेंड लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश इसलिए बिकॉज यू आर अ ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी. आवर कंप्लीट सिस्टम एवोल्यूड इनटू दैट. तो जितना साउथ अमेरिका है वो स्पेनिश हो गया. Portuguese, they went down to a different part of the world. Germans, they invaded some other parts. So this is how it remained. French controlled Africa. So most of the countries in Africa, they were French colonies. But after the Second World War, इन लोगों की आपसी लड़ाई में इन सब की इकोनॉमीज और इन सब का शक्ति इतनी खत्म हो गई 1945 के बाद कि अपने देश में रह कर करके सैकड़ों मील दूर जाकर करके एक कंट्री को अपने कंट्रोल में जो रखा हुआ था वो हाथ से पावर फिसलने लगी. दैट इज व्हाई यू विल सी 46 onwards they finally started giving independence to all such countries including India. But we should not forget our forefathers and our all revolutionaries and our all independent people who worked for India's independence, whether it was Mahatma Ji, Mahatma Gandhi Ji, or it was Nehru Ji, or all people in the same trajectory, because they were working and because of the imperialist powers gaining their strengths, they succumbed to their pressures. And this is what happened. So my only gut feel on the 74th Independence Day Eve, where we all as a family are congregated, is once again to wish you all. And of course, simultaneously, it is not, my concluding remarks would be the freedom. When you talk of freedom, the word called swatantrata, freedom is not from a imperial power. Individually, you should be freeing yourself from ill thoughts. You should be freeing yourself from jealousies. You should be freeing yourself from those feelers which makes you prompted to bring somebody down at the cost of you rising. That rise is no rise which comes at the cost of somebody being fallen. So, अपने चरित्र को उद्धार में लाइए, उसे चरितार्थ करिए. Bring, absolutely an evolution in your personalities, in your characters. And this is where I feel the day you start doing it, you start getting rid of all such elements which has gripped you and they do not make you feel as a free person, as a person who says, I am free. I can say I am free. Somebody may say I am also a free citizen of this country, but captive, massively captive under an element called jealousy. So these are things you should be freeing yourselves. Once you are freed from all these, हिंदी में कुटाब कहते हैं इन्हें, इन चीजों से आप जिस दिन मुक्त हो जाएंगे, आप अपने आप में एक स्वतंत्र इंसान होंगे. और उस दिन वो स्वतंत्र इंसान एक स्वतंत्र देश में रहते हुए वो एक फील ही एक अलग होगी. And I wish the same for all of you with the best of feelings, wishing you all a very, very happy 74th Independence Day Eve. Let's all be in that good feel and remain spirited towards that. Thank you all. Love you.